Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. By the title of this recipe, you already know that we're gonna make overloaded cheesy nachos. Now this recipe is so simple and so quick, even kids can make it. It literally takes like 10 minutes to make. Also the ingredients are not that many that you have to run to the grocery to get everything. So yeah, let's just get into the video and see how we're gonna make it. So the first step is to make the dressing. Now this is a very simple basic dressing that we're making. So for that I'm adding a 1 chopped onion. I have used a small onion and a small tomato. If you are making more of the nachos, you can obviously add more. So next I'm adding pasta and pizza sauce. You can use any brand that you have. I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of the sauce right here. And like that is it. You don't have to add any extra ingredients into this dressing. It was so simple. So we are going to quickly mix everything together, and as you can see, this dressing is a little bit of solid right now. So to make it a little liquidy, we are going to add some water. So I will add a 1 tablespoon of water, not more, because we do not want the dressing to make our nachos soggy. So just add a tablespoon of water and quickly mix everything together, and our dressing is ready. So I'm just gonna keep it aside for the moment. Next I'm adding some bell peppers. You can add any vegetables, olives, corns, jalapenos, anything. So here I've taken a baking dish, and into it I'm layering the nachos, as you can see. If you're using a microwave, you can also take a microwave safe container. So first I'm layering the nachos and then I am adding the dressing. Make sure you spread the dressing on the nachos properly. Then I'm adding the bell peppers. You can add the corn, jalapenos or olives at this moment itself. Next I'm grating 1 cube of cheese. I have used processed cheese, but you can also use mozzarella, cheddar, anything that you like. Also you can use pizza cheese, which is a mix of mozzarella and cheddar. That would be really nice. So I'm just grating 1 block right here. Now I'm adding a little bit of chili flakes for some heat. Again, I'm repeating the same steps, adding nachos and the dressing and the veggies, the same steps again. So as this is the topmost layer of our dish, I'm adding a lot of cheese. So that is done. I'm just sprinkling a little bit of oregano. You can also add some chili flakes here. And that is it. Now I'm just gonna bake it in the microwave for 5 to 7 minutes till the cheese melts. So this is the final result. It just took like 5 to 7 minutes, and in the microwave also you can just bake it till the cheese melts. And the smell is so amazing. It smells so divine, and also the taste is out of the world. It is nothing less than what you get in cafes. I highly recommend you guys to try this recipe out. It is so easy and so tasty, and you can see the right side of the bowl was just eaten by me. And here I'm eating a little bit of cheese because why not? And a fun story. I ate everything. I ate the entire bowl myself in under 5 minutes. So yep, it was that tasty. So I hope you like the recipe and you're gonna try it at your homes. And if you do not forget to share the pictures and tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle would be in the description box. So make sure you follow me there and subscribe to my channel for more such easy recipes. And yep, I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.